Hi Margaret, Michelle here. I wanted to give you some feedback on about your profile that you wrote of Stephanie. So I'm just trying to get my thing here a little bit straighter. So I think you've definitely have a theme. I just was a little confused by the top of it, and I'm still kind of confused about some things. So I think if you straighten those out, I think it will be a much stronger profile. So every Friday they drove to Honest Abe's, a burger restaurant at 70th and Vine Streets. You don't really ever say who. Um, so you kind of need to establish that quickly. And then just secondarily, if we're going to say they went to Honest Abe's every Friday, to me, Honest Abe's has to play a more significant role or there has to be some significance to that. And the rest of the story, I don't see that significance. So, um, and I'm really confused by the next paragraph. It was a person, Alex. That just kind of comes out at left field. What is she referring to? Who is a person? What does that have to do with going to Honest Abe's every Friday? That's just really confusing to me. And if that it was said before she was a managing editor, you don't really want to say managing editor here. Um, so, uh, let's look at the third paragraph then. After being randomly assigned to the same group as Alex Lucky in Intro to Ad PR, she found a best friend and a place at the Daily Nebraskan. And so I'm still not getting what happened. I think you need to set that up better. Because it's not clear to me. So did Alex encourage her to go to the DN? Or was it that when she decided to apply there, she saw Alex and they developed their friendship? It's just very, very confusing. I would say these first couple paragraphs, you really need to be clear about what you're trying to say and how this all affects the story. Not really sure then what the softball league has to do with anything, but I like the fact that you're leading up to where she is now. And again, she remembers how the random pairing helped her find a community. So I feel like Alex did more than just uh, go get burgers every Friday. I think you just need to really be clear on that. And maybe just what she gets out of the DN. What does she want to do now? Where is she from? What is her major? I think you can weave those in as well. And I think then it would be a little bit more well-rounded. So go ahead and look through these comments. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Sometimes it's hard to explain what I'm seeing, but I think the main thing is really working on those first 4 or 5 paragraphs to make it really clear and make it really, impactful, because that's where you're setting up the focus and the theme. So let me know if you have any questions. Good job on this, and talk to you soon.